Hello students, welcome back. And now in today's session we'll be solving equations which are in the form of a proportion. So first we'll define what a proportion is. A proportion is an equation which has two equal ratios. Now if you look here, A upon B is one ratio and C upon D is the second ratio. Now if these two ratios are equal, altogether they form a proportion. So this statement A upon B equal to C upon D is known as a proportion. Now the other way of looking at it is, you can say on each side of the equation you have only one fraction. So we say the equation is in the form of a proportion. Now what is the use? In a proportion the cross products are equal. So if I multiply A and D, it is same as multiplying C and B. So AD is equal to BC. So we get the property here, AD equal to BC. So we are going to use this property to solve the equations which are in the form of a proportion. Let's look at example 1, where if you look at the left hand side, I have only one fraction. The numerator has two terms, but if I put a bracket here, since it has only one denominator, we will count it as only one term. So on the left hand side I have one fraction, on the right hand side I have only one fraction. So this equation is in the form of a proportion. Now to solve this equation, we will use the property cross products are equal. So we will simply take the cross product. So 2 will multiply with the bracket and x will multiply with 8. So let's multiply. So 2 bracket x minus 3 equals 8 times x. Now we will expand the bracket. 2 times x will be 2x minus 2 times 3 is 6 equal to 8x. I'll shift the smaller term 2x to the right hand side. So I'll get here minus 6 as it is, 8x will stay as it is, and plus 2x goes to the right, it will become minus 2x. 8x minus 6 equal to 8 minus 2 is 6x. Divide both sides by 6 and I get my final answer, x equals minus 1, as 6 and 6 will get cancelled. You will get 1 on the left hand side. These two 6 will also get cancelled. So finally I'll get answer here minus 1. Let's look at question number 2. Almost similar. Now look at the left hand side. The left hand side is only one ratio, or you can say one fraction. I'll put a bracket here since I have binomial. Right hand side also I have only one ratio. So this equation is in the form of a proportion. So let's take a cross product and simplify. So 5 will multiply with the first bracket 3 plus 2y. 8 will multiply with 1 minus y. So I get here 5 bracket 3 plus 2y equals 8 bracket 1 minus y. So expand the bracket, I get 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 2y is 10y, 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 into minus y is minus 8y. Now I have 10y here and minus 8y here. Same procedure, you will try to shift this smaller term. So minus 8y will move to the left hand side. So the number constant 15 will go to the right. So I get here 10y plus 8y equals 8 as it is, plus 15 comes to the right hand side will become minus 15. 10 plus 8 will give me 18y, and 8 minus 15 will give me minus 7. I don't want 18, it is in multiplication, you divide both sides by 18. So my final answer here, 18 and 18 will get cancelled. So final answer will be y equals minus 7 over 18. So what we see here is, we don't have to find LCM or anything. Whenever the question is in the form of a proportion, you just simply take the cross product, simplify and get the answer. That's it for today. See you.